Here is the white pair of gloves. I just grabbed a white pair and now we're gonna get started. DIY, and we're gonna see which one turns out better, okay? And comment down below if this is a good idea for like merch, like if you would purchase like cute tie-dye DIY gloves, because I tried them with my signature or logo on them and I don't think it turned out that way. Maybe if I put this on it. Of course, we've got to lay down our paper towels so we don't get too big of a mess here. But here we go, lay them out, and then I'm actually going to fold this one in half, crunch it up just a bit, and then tie it off like this. So just like that. I didn't want this up and go ahead and start spraying. There we go. And then I'm probably gonna let this coat dry a little bit, because as you can see, there's a lot of liquid on the glove, because the gloves are like a material where it doesn't soak in as easily. You guys will see it in the next clip, and I had to wait a whole day, so let's get into it. You gotta love it. Okay, all right, here we go. So, hope you guys can see. I'm going to now flip this over and try painting with this yellow paint and see if that turns out, like compare how each of them turned out. I could even try like a yellow marker, and I do have those fabric markers that I used for my signatures for those other gloves I tried to sell, but actually I'm gonna do that and see what happens. The only issue, or the only qualm I have with this method, is that the gloves are very wrinkly, and so it's a little bit difficult. Okay. And then I want to try these ones. Will probably, the ones that I sprayed will honestly probably give more of a tie-dyed effect, but I think these ones are turning out pretty well. And then I'm going to use this other glove because I have tons of the same white glove, so I'm not worried about it, but I want to try and see what this yellow one would look like on it. I mean, it may not work at all, it may be fabulous, you just don't know. Ugh. Okay, I'm trying to open this. I got these in my stocking from my parents. You know, never thought I'd see the day, but here I am using it. Okay, here we go. Neon paint stick. Let's see what this does. Ooh, it looks like chalk, kind of. Oh no, nope. That is not gonna work. Very super shocked if this is like works. Oh. Well. So we are back again. I want to show you guys the progress, and I want to do another coat. Gosh, I have a swallowing issue today. Oh, 1 minute. Let's put my medical gloves. Oh, sorry, you guys are crooked, I think. I don't know. Can you guys see that? I don't know. Okay. I'm going to put my gloves back on so that I can finish this up. Oh no, these are the ripped ones. Ugh. Come on, fingers. Oh. Okay, now I'm gonna do this one. Okay, let's see. Okay. All right. Now, I'm gonna do another coat. Do another coat on both sides, so. Let it drip down. All right, so I'm gonna let those sit and we will be back. Hi guys, so it is finally time for the yellow glove reveal. Hold on. So as you can see, they're all right there. So I'm going to begin with these yellow gloves. And these are the ones that I painted. Okay, now let's see how they fit. See how they look on. Will the paint chafe? It is a bit more difficult to get on, which That's okay, we're just testing them today. I'm gonna go get the baby powder. If anything, this is like a test and compare video. What will be the best merch, you know? Something like that. Ready to put the baby powder on. Let's go. Okay, so I'm gonna do this one. Get the finger in there. Yeah, the paint makes it a lot more difficult to put on. But that doesn't mean it's not good. Get that finger. And then let's get this finger. That. Oh no, it ripped. No. Okay, so maybe the painted ones were not a good idea. Next. I would try on this one, but it's like the other one already ripped. So, oh, this one went on a little bit better. Oh, hold on. Maybe it's a different glove brand, but look at the chafing. My gosh. So, here's that one. Take it off. Let's try the sprayed on glove. So here are the pretty laser lemon colored sprayed on gloves. Let's see how these go on. Okay, those went on pretty well. Okay, so they chafed a little bit, but not nearly as much as the painted ones. And I do like this. It still kind of has a tie-dyed effect, although I could probably, you know, spray them while they're on my hand, just so maybe it would even out just a bit. But these are the sprayed ones, much easier to put on. Let's try the other one. I did not powder this hand. Let's see here. Chafe. All right. So here are the sprayed on gloves. I don't know if there's something I could have put on them to make them not chafe as much, but these are them. Okay, lastly, last but not least, are the third yellow gloves. You can see them back there. Now these ones, I used the fabric marker on. Now this one, I kind of did more quickly because I wanted to get this video up so it's not as vibrant as this one. This has a couple more coats on it. So that's the difference there. I'm gonna go ahead and try this one on. As you can see, it already looks a little bit cleaner. Doesn't chafe. Let's see. Okay, So there's that glove. And you know what? I could have maybe evened it out a bit more, some spots, but overall, I think I'm liking the fabric marker one. What do you think? I think this one's cute. And I even bought, some like little stenciling, so I could even custom design gloves for you guys with like initials of your name or whatever. And I think these are so cute. Like, fabric markers are amazing to decorate the medical gloves. They go on real well. It doesn't weaken the glove. But yeah, so. And just kind of go. And another thing is that this marker, I think it's running out of ink too, which is why this one did not turn out as well. But I'm excited. I think we found a winner. The fabric marker does best on the glove. And I believe that if I want to decorate medical gloves in the future, I am going to use the fabric markers. So I hope you liked these yellow gloves. If you would like a pair sent to you and custom made, hit me up. I can put them on my Etsy site and we'll see what we can do with that. But here are the gloves. Hopefully you liked them. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. See that they're nice gloves. So yeah, if you like this, give this video a huge thumbs up. And I will see you all in the next